Come test drive the 2023 Mirage. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, rear head airbag, adjustable steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.